Hello everyone, welcome to Meals with Sue on Out and About. This video features the Kure Barbecue and Wings restaurant located at 1411 Gessner Road Suite A, which was recommended by a frequent diner. So my friend and I went to try the all-you-can-eat lunch 2 weeks ago. The standard lunch menu we ordered was $21.99 per pax, which is only available on weekdays. There's also the deluxe lunch menu that offers seafood and meat for $25.99 per pax. Knowing that we did not have huge appetites, we opted for the non-seafood meat menu. The restaurant opens at 11:30 a.m. Our favorite that day was the bulgogi beef cubes, spicy pork belly, 5-spice pork belly, and chicken wings. We tried 2 types of fried chicken wings, lemon, pepper, and Thai Chilli. We also tried the fried seafood cake, bowls of miso soup, and a simple lettuce of leaf salad. Some reviews written on the restaurant are for the special menu for Halal menu, priced at $32.99 per pax for dinner. It is also served for lunch. Korean barbecue restaurants that offers a separate halal menu must be quite rare. This could be such a competitive edge for this restaurant. The food was good at a reasonable price. The sharing some information about the Kure Barbecue and Wings restaurant at Gessner Road Suite A. Thanks for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe to Meals with Sue on Out and About Adventure, trying new places to eat and ranting about the place. Have an enjoyable day, everyone. Have a good one. Bye.